Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about Cronos and the FTX. We're going to focus a little bit more on FTX today, as I do think, and increasingly so, FTX is a token you're not going to want to miss out on for the next leg up on the bull run. Cronos is something as well that you don't want to miss out on if you don't currently already have some. In general, exchange tokens are where it's at. I'm going to make a pretty strong case for FTX, but, as always, guys, crypto.com is fantastic. Cronos chain is awesome. Binance token, you can't go wrong, and you just don't want to miss out on that. So stick around to the end of the video to find out exactly why. That's how I feel about it. And smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to stay posted with the latest and greatest content that we have for you guys. Without further ado, let us hop into those charts for the day because, ladies and gentlemen, crypto has been volatile. Let's just take a peek here at the crypto market. So if you're peeking at Bitcoin for the day, we're at $20,000 for Bitcoin. Ethereum's back down to $1,100, just under $1,200 here. And kind of as I anticipated, we're having a little bit of a dip. I don't think we've seen bottom yet. A lot of people are speculating that bottom is close by. But as you can see here, the pricing on FTX and Crypto.com are kind of battling back and forth. 21 and 22 rank at just over $3 billion in market cap. So both very strong projects. Almost in the top 20, spot 21, 22. But lately, we've been seeing a lot of stories. One of them, which is this. Taking a peek at a big story, Robinhood shares jumped 14% today on a report that FTX may be exploring a deal where they might potentially acquire that company. Robinhood and this rumor. So Sam Bankman-Fried said, "We're excited about Robinhood's business prospects and potential ways we could partner with them, and I have always been impressed by the business." So this is some kind of quote, guys. This is a very large quote. Now, this is riding after the news that Bitcoin billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried bailed out embattled crypto firms BlockFi and Voyager. BlockFi and Voyager have both been at significant risk lately, where they were at risk of defaulting on loans, getting liquidated, and having some serious issues just with the way they were financially set up and just not prepared to withstand the crypto winter. But FTX CEO and founder Sam Bankman-Fried actually bailed them out. FTX has so much money, guys, that they're bailing out BlockFi and Voyager. They're competitors, which at face value makes no sense. But you think when they're propping up the rest of the industry, how much cash do they really have on the sideline and how strong are they? Well, they just passed up crypto.com and apparently they're looking at acquiring Robinhood. But I looked a little bit further into this and I did see that Sam Bankman-Fried denies the rumors of the FTX Robinhood deal. So, he denies them. Well, we are excited about the business prospects and potential ways we could partner with them. And I've always been impressed by the business that Vlad, the CEO of Robinhood, and his team has built. That being said, there are no active acquisition conversations with Robinhood. But that doesn't mean that it's out of the question. So this isn't quite off the table, but, he did want to kind of put the rumors to rest, at least for now. But it sounds like anything's on the table. It could be possible. They've got friends in high places. FTX is very, very strong. When you look at what FTX has going on lately, I mean, they are the second biggest exchange with trading volume, and it's a really friendly app. They bought out BlockFi a long time ago, they bought out Blockfolio, which was a really great crypto portfolio tracker, and they just infused their exchange right into that platform. And they bought it out, and now they made it easy as ever to buy crypto. So, they're doing a great job. And I think that right now, seeing the strength they're showing during these difficult times in crypto really makes me feel like they are developing a long-term strategy. They are making moves in the crypto winter that we are currently experiencing. Guys, if history has shown anything, it's when the markets are down, that the biggest moves are made in terms of development, acquisitions, things like this, and they fly under the radar. And then when the bull markets come back, those prices come with it. Now, FTX is only sitting at $26 right now, just under $25, and it was all the way up to $75, and that's the all-time high. That's a 3x. And guys, like, that's not as big as a gain as crypto.com had, and I think we might be due for an FTX launch at some point, and I wouldn't be surprised to see over $100 FTX token and then some. We could see a $500 FTX token in the next 2 to 4 years, especially pending a crypto bull run. I mean, we would need quite a bit of volume to creep into this market. But guys, I do think that trillions of dollars will flow into crypto when these markets decide they want to take a comeback, when we reach bottom. Now, do I think we're reaching bottom soon? I really do. One of the main reasons I think we're reaching bottom soon is because recently there was a short ETF created for Bitcoin. They're allowing people to short Bitcoin in the regular market now in the form of an ETF. And I think that's a market bottom signal, just like it was a market top signal when the first Bitcoin ETF hit the market, right? A long time ago when they started futures trading on Bitcoin. That was a big story, and that was basically the peak of 2018, where we hit 20K and crashed right on down. So I think market bottom's around the corner. That being said, just because we hit bottom doesn't mean we need to fly back up immediately, but getting right in line and set up for that 2024 2025 halvening presidential election and a halvening event. You're going to have a really volatile time, and probably we're going to get a huge rise back up, just as we've seen on the 4-year cycles in the past. That's all I got for you guys today. Don't miss out on FTX. Don't miss out on crypto.com. Exchange tokens are strong. Exchanges have a lot of money. They're even giving away trading fees. BNB and Binance.us just recently did 0-fee Bitcoin trading. So keep that in mind, guys. Don't miss out. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you got to remember, you got a DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.